The Wisconsin Supreme Court heard arguments on Monday over collective bargaining and whether or not Act 10 violates union members' constitutional rights. Attorney General JB Van Hollen argued the law is constitutional and is confident the Supreme Court will decide in the state's favor over the unions.
First of all, laws are presumed to be constitutional, so they have a heavy burden to meet, and they have to prove the law is unconstitutional in every aspect of that unconstitutionality beyond a reasonable doubt. The law was so solidly on our side that we have no doubt in our mind that we are right in the law. We just hope that we made the arguments in such a way that the court will agree with us.
Van Hollen also explained how Dane County Judge Juan was trying to change his decision right as it was being appealed.
Well, the whole contempt issue that's been played up for a while is what we're talking about. Judge Colas, originally when he made the decision in this case, issued a declaratory order finding certain portions of MIRA within Act 10 to be unconstitutional. And in the context of that, there are parties to the case, in this case MTI and a few in Milwaukee, who then are being declared as having this unconstitutional as applied to them. Parties went back many times asking for the court to have an injunction put in place which enjoined the state from implementing any parts of Act 10. He repeatedly refused to do that. So was it last week or just the week before when a non-party came in and basically sued the work commissioners under contempt for having violated an order as it applied to them when they weren't even parties to the case. And he did rule on a case that obviously was already in front of the Supreme Court, had already been briefed, and was going to be argued today. That's what that discussion was about.
It could be several months before the Supreme Court makes a decision about today's case. And even if the state wins, Van Hollen warns there will likely be other challenges to the collective bargaining law.